Hi, welcome to Richard Kabili YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to remove calculator button in control center using iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first, go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and find the control center, then tap. Then after that, in the control center, go to included controls and find the calculator. And as you will see, there's a negative sign located on the side of the calculator. Then all you have to do is just tap. Then click the remove. And your calculator button is now removed in the included controls. And if you want to check it in the control center, just drag down the right side of your screen. And as you will see that the calculator button is now removed. And that's it. We have successfully removed calculator button in control center using iPhone X. If you have a question, you can comment down below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.